Hi there, this is engineering team from Shenzhen Asta. So today I will show you how to set your drone. If you get the drone first time, we need to check everything is okay. So you need to make sure your drone is safe. So for example, when you get the drone, maybe your drone is for a flexible propeller, and maybe you will have a drone and the propeller is separate from the drone, and you need to install by yourself. For this one, and for the flexible propeller, it's okay because before we shipping the drone, already installed the propeller, and for this blade, we need to check the turning direction. You need to see here. We put the sticker for the turning direction. We have CW and CCW. CW is clockwise. It's like this one, and CCW, you can see this. We put the sticker also. CCW is counterclockwise, and you need to find the. Wait a moment. And you need to find the propeller. We already put the sticker CW and CCW. And if you need to install the propeller by yourself, you need to check. CW propeller is for CW drone, CW motor, okay?